Yo, what up? It's me, SolarLoon. I'm an independent game developer. I'm the creator of MasterPlan. I'm the creator of Touch 3D. And in the last stream and in this one, well, in the last stream, yeah, and in this one, I was working on MASTERPLAN and will be working on MASTERPLAN, but I was basically working on moving, porting MASTERPLAN over from SDL2 to SDL3, and I am basically, well, I'm not gonna say I'm basically done, but I managed to get the necessary parts done to the point where I can run it. So this is now SDL3, which is fantastic, and it seems to work really well. There's still a couple things I need to fix. You can see the selection box isn't working correctly. It's not like advancing properly. These all need to be sharper. I'm not sure if the text needs to be sharp. I don't quite remember if I wanted it sharp or not. Maybe not, because that might make it a little easier to read at distance. But anyway, I don't need this anymore. Anyway, I'm really happy that it's at the current state. Really happy that it's at the current state. And so we're just gonna keep working on it. So highlight ring, I think this is the issue. So let's see. Yes. Yeah, top right. So it's just should just W, Y, X, W, Y plus H. You know what, can I just copy these? Whoops, copy these lines for reference. Okay. And let me switch this. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Adjusting the hotspot here. It's no good. Let's see. That's better. Typing doesn't work. Cool. So it's working pretty well. Let's see. Let's take a look at system monitor here. CPU's low. Okay, so CPUs should be low. So the FPS manager, it used to be that this was the frame rate was managed by the GFX, like SDL GFX add-on. It used to have or it does have a frame rate like manager, FPS manager, where basically it just kind of like controls your loop for you. But since I'm trying not to use GFX because that hasn't been made available through the library I'm using for SDL3, I'm doing my own GFX stuff. So I'm doing my own thick lines, I'm doing my own FPS manager, and it's going pretty well, I think. I think it should be working fine. So a couple things we want to do. One is to be able to type, one is to fix the icons. So at least fix the icons, yeah, because that looks pretty grimy. There you go. Should be sharp. Excuse me. Let's see. Circles. Okay. me take a look at something. Okay. Let me see something. Let's go let me check something real quick. So one is this. And then another thing we want to do is maybe I see. Okay, so this is where it does this. How is this setting the... How is it setting the size? The text, the foreground, the background. Where is it getting the size to rate of the text? I guess it's the font size. Hmm. Surf. Let's see. Texture. I think that this is the image is an image. Texture, which is the size. Don't we use this? Okay, now we're setting it here. Why is it blurry? Why is it blurry? Destroy. Recreate, set render texture. Recreate. That's probably why. Maybe, yeah. Scale mode nearest. Scale mode. Scale. What is going? Oh, this is not. Yo, how long has this been? Well, maybe this wasn't here before. Okay. Nearest. Okay. That's better, I think. Nice and sharp. Still can't type. Alright, so typing. So let's go ahead and head over to events. Typing. The reason why we can't type is because we're not dealing with this event properly, I think. Is it not this? Is it not? Is it text editing? I must have to do something to turn it to like enable text edit mode, because this is not giving text input vibes. I mean, I guess I could just do like key down, so any key pressed. But then what was the point of? Yeah, I must have. Let me see. Okay, I don't see anything. So let me see if I can find something about this. Text input event. Yes, must be usable. Well, okay, wait. There's a couple things. One is that you can't zoom out with the mouse wheel. So let's solve that first. It looks like the only thing that changes is the direction. Is that what I'm seeing here? Or the Y? Is that what I'm seeing here? So the type, the reserved, the timestamp, the window ID, which, X, Y, direction, mouse X, mouse Y. Okay. Is that correct? Yeah, okay, I guess I was just wrong. It's supposed to be Y. Cool, okay. So now back to the text input. What's going on with text input? Why is text input not working? SDL start text input. Might not be implemented yet. Let's see. Coverage. No, it is here. Oh, it's a window. Okay, so we only really need to do text input in this range. When we handle events. Okay, let's try that. Cool. For some reason, this feels a lot smoother. Feels just better. So what I'm thinking about is, I'm not sure if I can do it. Hold on, let me see if I can. I gotta get used to turning off my screen. Can I do a keyboard IME? Can I? Let's see. Let me see if I can set this up real quick. Okay, so if this is working correctly, I should be able to do. There's no kanji. Let's see. There it is. Okay. Okay, so I think I have this set up correctly. So the issue here. Yeah, it's not working correctly. That's how it should work. So let's see if I can take a quick look to see if I can improve this. We know first stage for actually creating the project. Okay, so let's see. We need to set text input area. I'm looking at this information. I might need to set the text input area to like have IMEs work properly. Let's see. Initializing video. It's text input. That's text input 2. So in this example, add new text under the end of our text. Okay, so what we'll try here we probably only want to do this if cursor okay, so let's just do something like this. Cursor. What's the cursor about? Try that. Oh, whoops.